Hai, saya belum pernah beli rumah. Sesuai tak jadi klien Far Capital?
Okay, so you tak pernah beli rumah, sesuai tak jadi klien Far Capital. If you tak pernah beli rumah and you tak ada ilmu beli rumah, right? How is it better that you pergi beli rumah sendiri, make the mistake, rugi? So, I like to use this analogy whereby tak kira apa pun, you just be better off buying at the lowest price point and beli benda berdasarkan ilmu. The worst strategy is to follow the general rule, which what everyone is doing. Tak ada ilmu, go and do something because it's fashionable. Either kahwin ke, beli property ke, beli kereta ke. And when you make the wrong purchase, the price to fix that mistake is bertahun-tahun. Can you buy better and safer property as a non-FACAP client kat luar tu? And the answer to that is a 100% tidak, no. So, if you can buy property cheaper, you can buy tanpa modal, you boleh dapat positive cash flow. You also dapat belajar, right? How is it bad for you, right? So, I'll give you an example, right? I've got a client, dia tak pernah beli property. He's like 27, 28. He end up buying a property dengan kita. Lepas dia dah beli property dengan kita tu, dia dapat 120,000 cash. Dia guna lebih kurang 40-50 ribu untuk renovate. Ada baki dia 70 ribu lagi. Property tu hari ni bagi dia positive cash flow lebih pada 1,000 ringgit satu bulan. So bayangkan, you beli property almost 30% below market. You dapat cash 120 ribu. And on top of that, property tu bagi 1,000 sebulan. That is his first property tau. Without becoming a client, dia memang mengaku there's just no way dia boleh buat benda ni. Long story short, if you nak shortcut in life, you nak berjaya cepat, you become lah a client, right?